Boo and his toy. Boomer and his toy. Give me that toy. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Give me that toy. Give me it. Give me it. Give me that toy. Give me it. Give me it. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Fetch. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me. Give me that toy. Give me it. Give me it. Give me that toy. Give it. He likes his picture tape. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Give me it. Give me it. Give me that toy. Will you please give me it? Give me that toy. We'll put it on YouTube. Yeah. Give me that too. Give me that toy. Give me it. He likes being protected by the blind thing. Give it. Give it. Give it. I don't want to stop playing now, Jay. I want to fetch. Let's fetch. Give me that toy. Give me that toy. Come on.
Looking at him like he's crazy.
You won't let me have it back. Give me it. I got both. Give me it. Give me it. Please give me your toy. Give me your toy. Give me it. Give it. Give me that toy. No, please. Please. Pretty please.
He likes to be in film.
Give me that toy. Give me it. How about this one? Oh. Give it. I don't want to stop playing. Yeah, toy. How about this way? How about frontwards, backwards? How about playing jump rope? Whoa. Will you please give me the toy, Boomer? Give Mommy the toy. Give Mommy the toy. Please give. Fetch. Now she wants Jimmy to play.
Give me that toy. Go get it.
Fetch. Fetch. It must be me. Okay, give me the toy. Yeah. You want to play with the other end? Get your end. Fetch. Give me that toy. Give me that toy.
I'm going to call it Boomer and his toy.
Boomer and Mommy and the toy. Mom. Your mommy's over there. I'm your mom. Here, you hold that. Ooh. You're really strong.
I told you. He's strong.
Really strong.
I didn't tell you, but he's strong.
Give me that toy.
Put it on America's Funniest Home Videos.
Give me that toy. Give me it. Come on. Can I have it? Fetch. No, I don't want to play anymore. Good. Oh, he's fetching it. Where are you fetching it? Fetch.
Go get it.
Fetch.
He's like, I'm sick of this.
He's tired. He had enough. Goodbye, Cameron.
Now he goes to his food when he's tired.
Get some food.
All right. The end. Boomer and his toy. That was Boomer and his toy.